So, in today's live feed, I'll try to cover as much as I can and the topics that you have read that we are going to cover in today's session. So, these are the topics that we are going to be looking forward to and trying to understand. And just because the basic लैंग्वेज ऑफ इंडिया इज हिंदी, मैं कोशिश करूंगा कि हमारे जो व्यूअर्स हैं, जो हमारे हिंदी भाषी व्यूअर्स हैं, उनके लिए भी मैं कुछ इस तरीके से इस सेशन को कंडक्ट कर पाऊँ कि वो भी इसको समझ सकें और इसका लाभ ले सकें। Once again, my name is Anubhav. I'm a professional skateboarder. Uh, I'm from Indore, Madhya Pradesh. I work for Indian skate culture. We provide goods and services in the realm of skateboarding. Today we are here to understand some things about skateboarding and Olympic Games, the qualification system, the judging criteria. No, these topics are for part two, but I'll give you some hint about them in today's session so that there is some suspense for the part two as well. Okay, so here is something about me, some pointers about me that you would like to know. If you feel like you can take a screenshot or something because I don't know if it's good for this. Yeah, I'll start right away with the presentation. I think uh, there are enough people or not enough maybe. Let's start. So these are some facts about skateboarding. So skateboarding is of course in the world's top 10 sports or top 10 global sport. जितने भी सब द टॉप 10 ग्लोबल स्पोर्ट जो भी हैं, जैसे क्रिकेट है, क्रिकेट तो इंडिया में है, सॉकर है, फुटबॉल है, तो ये these things are figured out by the global fan base, the sponsorship deals, the number of professional leagues that are happening, the gender equality, the average salary of athletes. So this thing is determined by all these pointers. And this skateboarding became Olympic sport in August 2016, and it's going to debut in Tokyo 2020 and approved for Paris 2024. There are 20 plus skate parks in India. अभी तक 20 से ज़्यादा स्केट पार्क हैं इंडिया में। एक के लिए मैं काम भी करता हूँ, जनवार कैसल, जो कि पन्ना के पास है। और अभी तक 900 से ज़्यादा ट्रिक्स are already discovered. And skateboarding is an extreme sport which involves high risk. Move on to the next slide. So there are two kinds of stance in skateboarding, goofy and regular. Just like cricket, राइट हैंड बॉलर होता है, लेफ्ट हैंड बॉलर होता है, राइट हैंड बैट्समैन होता है, लेफ्ट हैंड बैट्समैन होता है, उसी तरह गूफी और रेगुलर नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में आपको और अच्छे से समझ में आएगा। गूफी में राइट फुट फॉरवर्ड होता है एंड यू पुश इट विद द लेफ्ट फीट, जैसा कि पिक्चर में आप देख सकते हैं। अ गूफी फुटेड स्केटबोर्डर। What a regular footed skateboarder is, left foot is in forward and you push it with the right feet. और ये पता लगाने के कुछ तरीके होते हैं कि हाउ व्हाट इज एक्चुअली योर स्टांस ऑन अ स्केटबोर्ड। तो and I'm not going to tell you about the ways because it's something which takes time जो कि मैं अकेडमी में सिखाता हूँ एज अ कोच। एंड वन मोर देर इज वन मोर स्टांस विच इज कॉल्ड मोंगो, जो कि एक बहुत ही गलत स्टांस होता है। यू गेट टू नो अबाउट इट लेटर। So moving back to the slide. So there is no specific shape or size of the skateboard. And of course, there is this. This is a proper professional skateboard with 8-inch wideness and 33 inches length. So the wideness can vary for skaters to different skaters. It could be 7.75, it could be 7.25, but the basics is is 8 inches, and 33 inches is the length, basic length, because if it's going to be longer, then it's going to be heavier, difficult to rotate, difficult to do tricks, right? And there are two main parts of the skateboard, that is the tail and the nose. Now you can see the nose and tails are having different concave, okay? टेल और नोज से कुछ कुछ ट्रिक्स होती हैं जो नोज से होती हैं, और कुछ ट्रिक्स होती हैं जो टेल से होती हैं। मूविंग बैक टू द स्लाइड। Helmets are compulsory below the age of 18 in any World Skate Championships. And one very fun fact is that earphones are allowed in any competition and all the competitions. आप कान में ईयरफोन लगा के रन कर सकते हैं अपना स्केटबोर्ड का जो भी होता है 1 मिनट का। एंड देयर आर 4 फॉर्मेट्स, एंड Roller Skating Federation of India is the governing body for skateboarding. Let's move into the next slide. तो जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया, एक स्केटबोर्ड के पार्ट्स का पिक्चर है, आप चाहें तो स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हैं इसका। हार्डवेयर, द ग्रिप टेप, डेक, द नट, बुशिंग्स। This is a proper professional skateboard truck made by aluminum drip casting. We made this in India. ये मेक इन इंडिया प्रोजेक्ट के तहत हम इसे इंडिया में बनाते हैं। हॉलो किंगपिन ट्रक्स हैं, एज यू कैन सी। ये एक प्रोफेशनल स्केटबोर्ड ट्रक है। I mean, there is a beginner truck as well that we have. So, and these are the wheels. 83B durometer and 54 diameter. These are professional skateboarding wheels, perfect for street and park and other formats of skateboarding. Moving on to the presentation. So you have to have a flat base shoe. मतलब अगर आप स्पोर्ट शू से स्केटबोर्डिंग करेंगे तो आपका जो सरफेस ऑफ एरिया होगा, सरफेस ऑफ कांटेक्ट होगा, वो कम होगा, तो गिरने के चांसेस ज्यादा होंगे। इसलिए एक स्केटबोर्डिंग शू फ्लैट सोल होता है, जस्ट लाइक हियर यू कैन सी। मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड। So competition and formats. There are 4 disciplines: street, park, vert, there is vertical and downhill. एक एक करके हम ये चारों फॉर्मेट समझने की कोशिश करेंगे। So सबसे पहला है स्ट्रीट फॉर्मेट। अब ये जो वीडियो है ये टोरी पडविल का है, जो कि यूएस के लिए स्केटबोर्डिंग करते हैं। ही स्पॉन्सर्ड बाय रेड बुल, नाइकी, एलिमेंट skateboards, Grizzly Grip Tape. I mean, he's the founder of Grizzly Grip Tape. He's an entrepreneur, a professional skateboarder, and his worth is $6 million. तो स्ट्रीट फॉर्मेट में सीढ़ियां होती हैं, लेजेस होते हैं, हैंड रेल होती है, और स्केटबोर्ड को पॉप करके ट्रिक स्टार्ट करनी पड़ती है। यू हैव टू पॉप द बोर्ड। ओके, सो ये जो एक ट्रिक है यहाँ पे है फेकी हील बैक साइड पोर्ट स्लाइड। नेक्स्ट स्लाइड। जैसा कि मैंने बताया, स्ट्रीट फॉर्मेट में फ्लैट लाइन ट्रिक्स होती हैं। इस प्रेजेंटेशन के पीछे जो पिक्चर लगा है वो एक इट्स अ स्ट्रीट format of skate park. It's a classic version of a street format, और इसका it's nowhere mentioned that you have to have this kind of a skate park. कोई भी skate park सेम नहीं होता, सारे skate parks डिफरेंट होते हैं. So एक और ट्रिक मैं दिखाता हूँ, flatland tricks. This is a 720 kick flip. You can see the board is rotating 3 times. So moving on to the next. So there is a combination of tricks and the degree of difficulty. You know what else you can combine with a kickflip? What else you can combine with a shove it? एक नॉर्मल किक फ्लिप होता है जब बोर्ड अपने एक्सिस पे घूमता है इस तरीके से. बोर्ड 3 तरीके से घूम सकता है, या तो इस तरीके से, या ऐसे, या फिर ऐसे. और ये इन तीनों मोशंस को कवर करने वाली एक ट्रिक होती है ट्रे फ्लिप, जिसमें तीनों रोटेशन होते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई इट्स नेम इज ट्रे फ्लिप, राइट? सो द वन विच वी जस्ट सॉ इज अ 720 किक फ्लिप, जिसमें बोर्ड 3 बार घूम रहा है इस तरीके से एंड एक बार घूम रहा है इस तरीके से, राइट? मूविंग ऑन टू द स्लाइड. So here you can see a nose slide and a kick flip out. ये एथलीट है लेटिशिया बुफोनी. शी इज फ्रॉम ब्राजील, world number 5th. She's my favorite skateboarder, and she's been skating for the past 14 years, and she's being sponsored by Red Bull, Nike skateboards, and Grizzly grip tape. So in street format you have to push the skateboard and gain speed. हमें धक्का लेना होता है, हमें स्पीड बनाने के लिए धक्का लेना होता है, और हर ट्रिक एक स्पेसिफिक स्पीड पर होती है. यू कांट गो जस्ट फास्टर इनफ एंड देन डू अ किक फ्लिप. एंड सो you have to pop the board, and you have to pop it at a specific distance from the rail to grind it. जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं, इनका नाम है औरी निशिमुरा. शी इज फ्रॉम जापान. शी इज वर्ल्ड नंबर 3. अभी हमने ये जो ट्रिक करी है, इट्स अ फ्रंट साइड लिप स्लाइड. ये एक टिपिकल स्ट्रीट स्केट पार्क है, जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, पीछे भी आपको दिख रहा होगा. दिस इज अ स्ट्रीट फॉर्मेट. नाउ यू आर ट्राइंग टू, आपको अब धीरे धीरे समझ में आ रहा होगा कि व्हाट इज अ स्ट्रीट फॉर्मेट ऑफ स्केटबोर्डिंग. ओके, नाउ स्ट्रीट स्केटबोर्डिंग लीग्स जो अभी होती हैं इंडिया में, जो बड़ी बड़ी लीग्स होती हैं, जो बड़ी बड़ी कॉम्पिटिशन्स ऑलरेडी हो रही हैं ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड. सबसे the most prestigious skateboarding event is the X Games Real Street. The prize money is worth $3 million. And then comes the Dew Tour, actually the Mountain Dew Tour. Leticia Buffoni is actually champion of X Games Real Street. She have won 3 times in the previous years. And then comes the SLS Super Crown, which is once again a very prestigious skateboarding event, which is happening since 2012. आप ड्यू टूर और SLS पे जो गोला मैंने बनाया है, इसका मतलब है ये वर्ल्ड स्केट इवेंट्स है. वर्ल्ड स्केट इज द इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन विच इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर कंडक्टिंग स्केटबोर्डिंग इवेंट्स एंड गेटिंग द एथलीट्स इनटू ओलंपिक्स. जैसे कि टेबल टेनिस फेडरेशन ऑफ इंडिया है, जैसे कि वेट लिफ्टिंग फेडरेशन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड है. इट्स जस्ट लाइक वर्ल्ड स्केट. So there are so many sports which comes under world skate, but the only golden egg in their nest is skateboarding, which is in Olympics. So Dew Tour and SLS Super Crown are 2 skateboarding championships that are approved and accredited by WorldSkate. Then comes the Vans Street Series. The prize money is worth $700,000. Sport Tampa. Sport Tampa is the oldest skateboarding competition that there is. It is being organized since 1970s and it's organized in Tampa, Florida, United States of America. And the prize money is $100,000. A Grind for Life series, and then comes the Jugaad. Jugaad is an Indian skateboarding competition held in Bangalore. It's being organized by my friend Mr. Gautam, and he used to be a good park skateboarder. We have met a couple of times before. And then comes the Atal Skateboarding League, which we organize in Indore, India. So it was the first year of the competition. Okay, let's move on to the next slide. So the street format world ranking male, we have number one Nigel Houston. He's worth $13 million. He's a millionaire. He's sponsored by Monster Energy, Element Skateboards, Nikes, and so many more brands. He's from USA. He's a goofy skateboarder and been skating since 21 years. इनके पिताजी भी skateboarder थे. नहीं, seriously, इनके पापा भी skateboarder थे. So the second is Yuto Horigome, 21-year-old. He's from Japan, skating since 14 years. Number 3 is Kelvin Hoffler, 26, from Brazil, Goofy. He's skating since 17 years and sponsored by G-Shock. केल्विन हॉफलर के घर में पीछे ही स्केट पार्क है. अपने वरांडे में ने स्केट पार्क बना रखा है एंड आई थिंक ही इज हैविंग अ वेरी गुड टाइम इन क्वारंटाइन. So let's move on to the next slide. So street format world ranking female, we have number one Pamela Rosa. She's from Brazil. She's skating since 10 years and sponsored by Nike, The Bones, G-Shock. And the most versatile and the youngest, not the youngest, second youngest skateboarder is Raisa Lil. She's from Brazil again, Goofy, and she's been skating since 8 years, sponsored by Nike, Honda skateboards, Honda bearings, Monster Energy, and she has actually won the SLS Super Crown. She came number second in the SLS Super Crown, beating Leticia Buffoni and Candy Jacobs. She's a very talented skateboarder of just 12 years old. Can you imagine? So number third is Aori Nishimura from Japan, as we saw her just above. She's from Japan and sponsored by Oakley, Nike, Coca-Cola. Leticia Buffoni. Up, just look at the park behind her. Is street format of skate park. ये फोटो मैंने सिर्फ इसलिए डाला है कि she is my favorite skateboarder. Let's move on to the next format, which is the park format. A park format of skateboarding is different in so many ways. Now see, you don't have to take push. हमें पैरों से धक्का नहीं लेना होता है skateboard चलाने के लिए. हमें इसमें पंप करना होता है, जैसे कि झूला होता है, हम खड़े होकर झूला झूलते हैं, हम पंप करते हैं तो we gain speed, we gain momentum. So there are many different things related to a parks format of skateboarding, जो कि हम धीरे धीरे आगे समझेंगे स्लाइड में. Okay, so park format involves a series of complicated curves. There is a half pipe, there is a quarter pipe. You can see how high mid-air tricks they are performing, and the park is actually a bowl, just like a bowl. जैसे कि एक कढ़ाई होती है, एक बड़ी सी कढ़ाई जिसमें एक skateboarder. So there are mid-air tricks on immense heights, and there are combination of tricks which involve speed, height, and the degree of difficulty, what you can do while you are. These videos are from the Dew Tour, which is once again a World Skate event. So this is a board slide. So park format have a different kind of judging. You can see this is Himana Reynolds doing a tray flip and a feeble grind. So the difference between park and street is there are no stairs, right, or ledges for that subject matter. पार्क में सिर्फ ट्रसेस होते हैं, ऊंचाइयां होती हैं, जस्ट लाइक अ किडनी बोल. So we have park format world rankings. Male number one is Himana Reynolds. He's 21 years old, and this is the only picture I can retrieve from the internet in which he has a t-shirt. So he used to prefer without he skate without the t-shirts in the championship as well. So Himana Reynolds Brazil से है. He's a regular skateboarder, skating since 10 years. He's sponsored by Nike, Bones, G-Shock, and Van shoes. Number two is Luis Francisco, 19 साल के हैं. सेंटा क्रूज स्केटबोर्ड, BU, G-Shock, कुछ कंपनीज है जो इन्हें स्पॉन्सर करती है. वेंस पार्क सीरीज के काफी टाइम से चैंपियन है लुइस फ्रांसिस्को. हिमाना रेनल्ड्स ने भी काफी number of times he have won this competition. And then comes Pedro Barros, once again from Brazil. As you can see, skateboarding was invented in California, I'm sorry, San Francisco Bay Area in the 1940s by the surfers. And you can see there are so many skateboarders which are champions from Brazil. So perhaps Brazil is the best place you can have to, you can have so many friends who can, which whom you can skate. Moving on to the next slide. In the park format world ranking female, we have Misugu Okamoto from Japan. She's only 13 years old and being sponsored by DC Shoes, Santa Cruz Skateboards, and Monster Energy. Number two is Sakura Sojumi. She's from Japan once again. Sponsored by Van Shoes, Grizzly Grip Tape, Red Bull. Now Sky Brown is the world's youngest skateboarder, sponsored by Birdhouse, which is owned by Tony Hawk, none other than Tony Hawk, the most famous skateboarder in the world. So she represents Britain, and she's actually Anglo-Japanese. So let's move on to the next slide. So the next format is the vert, which involves a vertical ramp. There is a horizontal plane, and then it transitions into a vertical. So you can see this is the X Games. This is the most famous event of X Games. So there is a vertical, only a vert ramp. It's like 12 feet, both sides. It's 12 feet vertical ramp. You have to do mid-air tricks and then transition onto the horizontal from the vertical. So this is the X Games in 2018, in which the very first time 180 degrees tricks was landed. You can see the air time is somewhere around 4 to 5 seconds, and he's this is none other than Tony's Hawk. He's now 50 years old, and this trick he landed for the, I don't know how many times, but this is a recent trick he landed. It's a 540-degree spin, and he did it while he's of 50 years of age. So this is a vert ramp. You can see in higher speed, you flip the board, grabs it, and then goes once again into the vert. So skateboarding is highly injury prone sport. टोनी हॉक की राइट हैंड की 2 बार सर्जरी हो चुकी है, उनकी खोपड़ी फूट चुकी है, उनके होंठ कट चुके हैं। तो आप स्केटबोर्डिंग में गिरने से डरते हो तो आप सीखना बंद कर देते हो, राइट? सो नाउ कम्स द मोस्ट deadliest format of skateboarding, that is the downhill format. You are going on 90 kilometers per hour speed, and the one who reaches the downhill first is actually first. And people who actually reaches down, they are also awarded, because आखिरी तक पहुंचना इतना आसान नहीं है स्पोर्ट में, आप देखिए। So the most important thing in the downhill format is the gear, the protective gear that you have to have. And this format was debuted for the very first time in World Roller Games, which is held in Barcelona 2018. And there were 3 skateboarders from India who represented street skateboarding. Shubham Surana, he's a good friend, and Shivam Balhara, he's from Delhi. Shubham is from Pune, and Mahin Tandon, he's from, I don't know, I forgot. But all of the 3 are my best friends. Not my best friend, but we are friends. So World Roller Games Barcelona and Asian Games Palembang was also debuted skateboarding for the first time in Asian Games, but we, perhaps Roller Skating Federation of India, did not have skaters to send it. So the downhill format, you have to have speed. No, you have to have a mandatory speed suit, and it's a very fatal sport. It's not in Olympics. Only 2 formats are there in Olympics: the street and the park formats. The rest of the vertical was debuted for the first time in World Roller Games Barcelona once again, and downhill and vert are in World Roller Games. So World Roller Games have all the 4 formats, but Olympics have only street format. So there are going to be 2 entries for street male female and park male female. Okay, now time for the questions.